Now you can see me moving all of the stuff out of the way for where my Mitersaw station is going to go. After checking my plans for the correct measurements, I mark out the side for my first cabinet. Trying to ensure that I have the right measurements here, I double check and realize that I'm a little too wide. This is the first finished cabinet base, top and now bottom. Today we're going to move all of this stuff and build a base for the cabinets going over here. Yep, figured that was going to happen as soon as I set it up. I thought to myself, there's no way this is going to stay. Oh well, on to the build. Base is put together and now I'll level it. those of you who are wondering, I didn't really cut my hand that bad, but I did nick it with the saw. Oh well. Slow down and pay attention next time you do woodworking, y'all. First cabinet body is finished, and it is level as can be. In the next set of videos, we will be finishing out the rest of the cabinet bodies and putting the drawers in. Stay tuned for more.